Hi, I'm Zach Nyeza, the regular guy who likes DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool floating shelf. And best of all, it has a hidden drawer. So what you'll need is a 3-meter piece of 300 by 20 mm laminated pine. You can get the guys at Builders to cut it down to size for you. And the sizes you'll need for the outside box are 2 pieces of 550 by 300, 2 pieces of 300 by 110, and 1 piece of 550 by 150. And for the inside box, 1 piece of 460 by 250, 2 pieces of 500 by 100, and 2 pieces of 250 by 100. And then you'll need 40 mm screws, some wood glue, a drill driver, some clamps, a sander, wood filler, a paintbrush and paint. I'm going to use the Fired Earth Woodworks Grey Moon. It's a great color. We're going to start with the outer box. I'm first going to prop up the sides and place the lid on top. Line up everything and put some wood glue. Thereafter, we'll drill our pilot holes and fasten everything together. Now we're going to flip it over and do the same on the other side. And now I'm going to stand it up to put the front face to seal the shelf. Just a little bit of wood glue. The outer box is done. It's time for the inner box. We're going to lay everything out, and I'm going to show you a really easy way of assembling the inner box. Now that you've got your pieces laid out, stick a little bit of wood glue around the edges. We'll put everything together and hold it into place with our clamps. Just make sure everything is aligned up nicely. We'll then countersink and screw everything together to make the inner shelf. There you go. Now we can fill all our holes with our wood filler. Let it dry and then give it a good sand. The sand is complete, and as you can see, it's taking shape really nicely. I'm now going to seal, and I'm only going to seal the outside. I found if I seal the inside, it gets a little bit sticky, and then it doesn't slide in and out so nicely. And as usual, always paint with the grain of the wood. Now there you have it, and it looks great. A nice hidden drawer for all your valuables. Now remember, everything I used is available at your local Builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. And for more DIY videos with me, Zach, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.